What's something people don't know about Brazil's forests? They're teeming with magic and mystery. Let's dive in. Spanning an area larger than Texas, Brazil's forests are a nature lover's dream. Meet the Amazon rainforest, the planet's lungs, home to jaguars, toucans, and 3,000 plant species. Did you know the Amazon River is so vast it creates its own weather? Mind-blowing. But wait, there's more. The Atlantic Forest, a biodiversity hotspot, shelters the elusive golden lion tamarin. Ever heard of the Torado? It's a tropical savanna bursting with unique life forms, from giant armadillos to colorful orchids. These forests aren't just beautiful, they are vital for our planet. They regulate climate, purify air, and provide homes for countless species. So, next time you think of Brazil, remember, it's not just about the carnival and beaches. It's also about these incredible magical forests. Stay curious, nature lovers. See you in the next adventure.